Good morning, students. Today we will study new topic that is kingdom fungi. It is a unique kingdom of heterotrophic organism. Fungi are cosmopolitan. That means they are found in everywhere. Occur in air, water, soil, on animals and plants also. They prefer to grow in warm and humid places. Best example: orange rot, bread mold, mushroom, etc. White spot on mustard leaves are due to the parasitic fungus. Fungus can be parasitic. You can see this figure. Next is fungi. Some fungi are the source of antibiotics, that is penicillium. Some unicellular fungi, that is yeast, are used to make bread and beer. Other fungi cause disease in plants and animal. That one plant disease, that is wheat rust disease, that is caused by Punecia, means that penicillin, these fungi are used as medicine, used as making bread and beer, and it also work as disease also. That you can see penicillin, yeast, and this is Punecia. Next, except yeast, fungi are filamentous. Out of all fungi, means yeast, except yeast, all are filamentous. Their body consists of long cylinder thread-like structure called hive. The network of hive is known as mycelium, that you can see here, that all hives and its collection is called mycelium singularly. Some hives are continuous tube filled with multinucleated cytoplasm. These are called coinocytic hive. Other have septate or cross wall in hive. Fungal cell wall is made up of chitin or polysaccharides. That you can see here. Outermost, that is cell wall. This is nuclei. Septum, that is pore. Most fungi are saprophytic, absorb soluble organic matter from dead substance. Some are parasite, some live as symbiotic. Symbiotic means mutually benefited in association with algae as leech and with roots of higher plants as mycorrhizae. That you can see here, diagram mycorrhizae. Reproduction. Fungi show vegetative propagation, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. Vegetative propagation includes fragmentation, fission, budding. Asexual reproduction by spore, conidia or sporangiospores and zoospores. This that it developed, that is called spores. After maturation, it is split down and again germinate into a new plant, that is spore. This is hive, that already you have seen this, and this further it will grow into a new plant by oospores, ascospores, and basidospore. They are produced in distinct structure called fruiting bodies. These are fruiting body, that is spore. Again it will fall down and germinate. This is mycelia, and again a new. The sexual cycle involves three steps. First is plasmogamy, fusion of protoplasm with two motile or non-motile gametes. Second is cryogamy, fusion of two nuclei. Then meiosis occur in zygote resulting in haploid spores. That here zygote diploid, that meiosis, that n number, then into spores to hive to, that is plasmogamy. Now here n plus n, 2n will cryogamy, again zygote will be formed. In sexual reproduction, two haploid hive come together and fuse. Some fungi fuse two haploid immediately from diploid cell to N. The other fungi, asmocytes and basidomocytes, are dikaryotic stage or dikaryophase, that is two nuclei per cell occur. Such a condition is called dikaryon. Later parental nuclei fuse with the cell, become diploid. Fungi form fruiting bodies in which reduction division occur, leading to formation of haploid spores. The same thing can be understood with the help of diagram here. Based on morphology of mycelium, mode of spore formation and fruiting bodies, fungi are classified into various. First is phycomocytes, class asmocytes, class basidomocytes, and class deuteromocytes. Thank you for today.